Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we try to make sense of the crazy world of corporate finance and filings without making your eyes glaze over. Today we're diving into a report from Fundamental Global Inc. and let's just say they've been busy with their crypto holdings. This filing isn't a deep dive into their quarterly financials like you might see in a 10Q. Instead, it's a Form 8K, which kind of acts like a company's urgent bulletin board for important news that needs to be shared quickly. The big news here, as announced on August 25th, 2025, is about their cryptocurrency position. Specifically, they're telling the world that their Ethereum holdings have jumped up significantly. So let's break down what that actually means. Fundamental Global Inc. now holds a massive 48,545 Ethereum coins now. Why is this important, you ask? Well, Ethereum is a major cryptocurrency, and holding a large amount of it means the company's financial health is now directly tied to the price swings of this digital asset. If Ethereum's price goes up, their holdings become more valuable. If it goes down, well, you get the picture. It's like the company has become a major player in the Ethereum market, and their success is now riding on this digital wave. Now, you might be wondering how this connects to their actual stock. Fundamental Global Inc. has two main types of stock that are traded on the Nasdaq. They have their common stock, which is what most people think of when they buy shares of a company, and they also have preferred stock. The preferred stock is a bit different. It pays a fixed dividend, in this case 8%, which is a pretty good rate, especially for preferred stock. But typically, preferred stock doesn't give you the same kind of voting rights or potential for huge price appreciation as common stock. Think of it as a more stable income-focused investment compared to the growth potential of common stock. The company is essentially saying that their common stock is out there trading and its value is influenced by all sorts of factors, including this new large Ethereum holding. And that preferred stock is also registered, ready to provide that steady income stream to its holders. When we talk about the value of their shares or their cryptocurrency, it's all being measured in US dollars. But of course, all these numbers are being counted in terms of shares tacked to now, looking at the overall picture. Fundamental Global Inc. is making a bold move by significantly increasing its exposure to a volatile asset like Ethereum. This could be a brilliant strategy if the price of Ethereum continues to climb, potentially boosting the company's overall value and its stock price. However, it also introduces a considerable amount of risk. If Ethereum prices fall, the company could suffer significant losses. It's like making a bet, and this filing tells us they've placed a very large bet on Ethereum. Something to consider here is the company's location and filing details. We see it's incorporated in Nevada, has a file number with the SEC, and an IRS identification number. These are standard details for a publicly traded company. And the report is signed off by Mark D. Robeson, who holds the title of Chief Financial Officer. This is the person responsible for managing the company's money. So his sign-off here tells us that these disclosed cryptocurrency holdings are officially being recognized and managed as part of the company's financial strategy. So what's my take on this? Fundamental Global Inc. is clearly embracing the digital asset space. This isn't a company just dabbling. They're going all in on Ethereum. For investors, this means you need to be comfortable with the wild ride that is cryptocurrency. If you're a long-term believer in the potential of Ethereum and other digital assets, this move might seem very attractive. However, if you prefer more traditional, stable investments, this company might be too risky for you right now. The company's direction seems to be leaning heavily into speculative growth through digital assets. The major risk is the inherent volatility of cryptocurrencies, and the opportunity lies in the potential for massive gains if the digital asset market continues to expand and mature. This approach also signals a potential shift in how companies might operate in the future, where digital assets aren't just an investment but a core part of their balance sheet and strategy. It's an interesting strategy, and only time will tell if this bet pays off for Fundamental Global Inc. and its shareholders. Alright, that's our breakdown of this filing from Fundamental Global Inc. What's your take on this bold crypto move? Do you think it's a smart play or a risky gamble? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more decoding of corporate filings. And hey, don't forget to join our Discord community. The link is in the video description. It's a great place to discuss these topics further. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.